switch on the video and post your output.
I'm able to see, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this where is NAND implementation? Okay, good. We will continue today's class, okay? Okay. So I'm going to solve the previous day problem. That is A bar B plus AB bar using NAND gate. So first of all, you want to draw the basic logic diagram for the given expression. So that is A, B and A, B bar. A, B. So you shouldn't put B bar in the input side because you have used a NOT gate. So you want to start with B alone. So this is the basic diagram, basic logic diagram for the given expression. Now I am going to implement by using the NAND gate. Okay. For the NOT gate, the NAND gate implementation is okay. For this AND gate, okay. For the next condition, so this is of A and this is of B. For the next condition, A, B bar. For B bar, I am going to use a NOT gate, and then for AND gate, this is the implementation. So this is A and this is B. Again, for an OR gate, I am going to implement with a NAND gate. Okay. So I want to complement each input first, and then I want to use a NAND gate for the final output. So there is the immediate NOT gate and immediate NOT gate. So I have cancelled this, and my simplified diagram is so this is A and this one is B, and again this is A. The next input is B. So I have complemented it. Okay, so this is the simplified diagram for the given expression for the by using NAND gate. Okay. So before this, I want to see I want to tell you one thing that, so if you draw the implemented diagram only in two levels. Two levels is nothing but, so this is the first level. So this is the first level and this one is the second level. Okay. So this is the two-level logic diagram. Two-level logic diagram. In case, if it increase two levels means, then it is said to be multi-level logic diagram, a digital logic diagram. Okay. So if circuit having only two levels means that that goes to two-level digital logic diagram. Okay. If it increases two levels means it is called multi-level logic diagram. Okay. So now I'm going to implement the same by using a NOR gate. I'm going to implement the same expression by using a NOR gate. Okay. For that, the same thing for OR gate, sorry, for NOT gate A. So this is the NOT gate implementation by using a NOR gate. Okay. So the next input is B. Okay. So you're having an AND gate here. Okay. Here I will draw the OR gate implementation using NOR gate. Okay. Sorry, AND gate implementation using OR gate. Okay. I'm just reminding you. So by using NOR, before giving the input to the NOR gate, we want to complement it, and then finally you want to give a NOR gate. So this is A dot B. So this is nothing but the NOR implementation for an AND gate. Okay. Just I'm going to replace the same in the place of AND gate. Okay. Can you able to follow me, students?
Yes.
Students, can you able to follow me? Kindly respond, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you able to follow me or not? Okay. So before giving the input, I want to complement it. So I'm using a gate. I have explained clearly in your previous class. I just replaced it. That's it. Okay. This is the input B. Again, A, B bar. So for B bar, I'm going to complement the input first, and then I want to complement each input in the place of AND gate. Okay, so I have finished the first level. Now I have finished the first level. So this is also a OR gate, sorry, NOR gate implementation of an AND gate. Finally, in our second level, I have used an OR gate in the basic logic diagram. So just use a NOR gate in the place of OR gate, and finally you want to complement it. So this is the final output. Okay, so this is the OR gate representation of NOR gate by using NOR gate. OR gate implementation by using NOR gate. Okay, so here also you are having immediate NOT operation. So I'm going to cancel it. Here also you are having immediate NOR operation. So I'm going to cancel it. Then I'm going to redraw the simplified diagram. Excuse me. A, B, so this is the NOR implementation for the given circuit. So this is the final simplified diagram for the given equation. Can you able to follow me? Students, can you able to follow me? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move on to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question may ask like, F equal to summation M of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 and give the simplified equation and implement using either NAND or NOR. Either NAND or NOR means I am saying as either NAND or NOR. The question may be like simplify the given simplify the given expression and implement the same using NOR gate. Okay, so this is the question. For the first step, what will you do? To get the simplified equation, what will you do? Students, tell me, for to get a simplified equation, what will you do? Can you able to get my question?
K-map, ma'am.
Okay, by using the K-map, I can simplify the given mean term. Okay, how many box K-map should I use here?
8 box.
8 box K-map. So, and also they have not mentioned the variable here, so I can use anything. So, A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC and BC bar, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the given min terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Okay, how will you pair? Tell me, how can we pair it?
1, 3.
5,
1, 3,
ma'am. 1, 3,
1, 3, 5, 7.
7.
1, 3, 5, 7. Next. We can pair 3 and 2. Am I right? Here you are having 1. So we can pair 4 and 5. Now tell me the equation for the first quad pair.
C, ma'am.
C plus for the second pair 3 and 2. A bar, B. Am I right? For the next pair, A, B bar.
B, B bar.
Okay, so this is the simplified equation which I got from the given min term. Okay, next step is we want to draw the basic logic diagram for the simplified expression. So that is nothing but A bar, B, A, B bar. So I want to use an OR gate here. Again, I want to add C with the given expression. So this is the simplified equation AB, AB and C. So you can draw like this, or the same, you can draw like A, B, bar, C. So you can draw like the same. So you can give number of inputs in an OR gate while you draw in your note itself. Okay, va? So when we go for the laboratory, you can draw up to 2 inputs in an OR gate. Okay, and in the AND gate you can give only 3 inputs. Okay, if it exceeds means you want to connect another AND gate with the output. In case, for example, if you are having A, B, C, D means actually while drawing in your class you can give like this A, B, C, D. But when we go for the lab, you want to draw like this only. Can you able to get it? So because we are using only 2 input and 3 input ICs in our laboratories, so we can't give more than 3 inputs in your AND gate. And in the OR gate, we can't give more than 2 inputs. Okay. While drawing in your theory sessions, you can draw as many of by giving many of the inputs in either AND or gate, anything else. Okay. Okay, so this is the diagram for the given expression AB, AB, C. Now we are going to draw the same by using NAND gate. So NAND gate, we have already known that. So this is the NOT gate implementation by using NAND gate, and this is the AND gate implementation by using NAND gate. For the same again, so again we are going to draw for the next condition. This is AB and this is AB. So this is the NOT gate implementation and this is the AND gate implementation. So directly we can give C input. So at last we are going to use an OR gate, so that the implementation for OR gate by using NAND gate is just we want to complement each input before giving the to the NAND gate at last, and just so this is the final thing, that is the expression F. So we can cancel the immediate NOT gate function and we can redraw like so this is the AB, AB and C. So this is the final diagram for the given expression by using NAND gate. Can you able to follow me? Have you understood? Students, have you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next one? Shall I move to the next one? Anybody is having doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, please reply. Anybody is having doubt? Don't use your chat box. Just unmute your mic and reply.
No, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is we have till we have saw about the two-level diagram. We are going to see the multi-level diagram now. So the expression is F equal to AB plus A bar B dot C plus D bar. So this is the given expression. The expression is like AB plus A bar B dot C plus D bar. Okay. So we are going to draw its basic diagram first. Next, C plus D bar. Sorry. C plus D bar. So we want to use OR gate because it is in sum. Finally, we want to use an AND gate because both the things are in, excuse me, I think I have made a mistake. So these two conditions are in AND gate. First, I want to sum this two, and finally both are in product. Okay, here it is of AB, CD. Okay, here it will goes as A bar. The output will be AB plus A bar B. The output of this OR gate is C plus D bar. Finally, the output is AB plus A bar B dot C plus D bar. Have you got it? Can you able to understand the diagram, or anybody is having doubt? Because first two variables are in product term, so we have used an AND gate here. Again, we are having A bar B, so we have complement the input and we have used the AND gate here. In this term, we will get A B. Here we will get A bar B. So we in the given expression, both the product terms are getting added. So we have used OR gate here, and we will get the expression like AB plus A bar B. So the second term is C plus D bar. So we have complemented D first as D bar, and then we have given to an OR gate, and we will get the output as C plus D bar. Again, both the expressions get product. So we have used an AND gate at last. So this is nothing but multi-level logic diagram. So it exceeds. So two level means, so this is the first level and this is the second level. So it exceeds two levels. So it belongs to multi-level diagram. Okay. So we are going to implement the same by using You tell whether we can implement by NAND gate or NOR gate. Which one you should understand it? NAND gate. Am I right? I have said as NAND gate. NAND gate தானமா சொன்னீங்க? Okay. So it is audible. Students, it is audible. Okay, okay. So first, for this AND gate, for the first A, B, for the first AND gate, now we are going to implement by using NAND gate. Okay. So this is the NAND gate implementation for an AND gate. Okay, that is A, B. For the next expression, that is A bar B. A bar, we want to use a complement and then we want to implement the AND gate. So this is the A and this one is B. We will get A bar here. This is the NAND implementation for an AND gate. Okay. So we have finished the first two things. Next we want to draw this by using NAND gate. Okay. So directly we can give the OR gate for D. Sorry, directly we can give the C. For D we want to complement first. For OR gate implementation, we want to complement each input before giving to the final NAND gate. So this is the NOT gate implementation and this one is the OR gate implementation. Okay. Next thing is, next step is, we want to implement for this OR gate. For this OR gate, again, we want to complement each input first and then given to the final NAND gate. So, second OR gate also implement by using the NAND gate. Second OR gate implementation also finished by using the NAND gate. The final thing is we want to implement the AND gate by using the NAND gate. Okay. So both the inputs are given to the NAND gate and finally we want to complement the output. So just you want to replace the implementation of each gate in its place. That's all. Okay. So just we are going to simplify now. So here you are having immediate NOT gate. Here you are having immediate NOT gate. And again here you are having the immediate NOT gate. Okay. Now.
Ma'am, screen தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது ma'am.
Ma'am, screen அப்படி நிக்குது ma'am. First stepல நிக்குது ma'am.
Okay, okay, just wait. Now it is visible. Students, is it visible now?
No ma'am.
Ma'am, நீங்க first ஒரு மல்டி லெவல் டயக்ராம் போட்டீங்களா ma'am? அதோட ஸ்டாப் ஆயிருக்கு ma'am.
இப்ப தெரியுதாமா?
No ma'am.
இல்ல ma'am, தெரியல ma'am.
No ma'am.
Okay, okay, wait.
Ma'am, you write something?
அந்த வரேன் ma'am. Now ma'am, is it visible now?
Ma'am, நீங்க எழுதுங்க. எங்களுக்கு இது விசிபிளா இருக்கு, பட் ஆனா அது கரண்ட் ஸ்கிரீனா இல்லையான்னு உங்களுக்கு டவுட்டா இருக்கு. You write something on the board, ma'am.
A plus B. Is it visible now, ma'am?
ஆஹா இல்ல மேம் அந்த பழைய ஸ்லைட்லயே தான் இருக்கு.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am. A, B bar. Ma'am, is it visible now?
நீங்க எழுதுறது எதுவுமே தெரியலையே மேம். புது
தெரியலையா?
ஸ்கிரீனுக்கு போங்க மேம்.
நியூ ஸ்கிரீன்ல தான் மேம் இருக்கேன்.
இல்ல மேம் இப்ப பழைய ஸ்லைடே தான் தெரியுது.
மேம் ஸ்லைடே தெரியல மேம்.
மேம் ஆக்சுவலா ஸ்லைடே தெரியல மேம்.
பிளாக் அவுட் ஆயிருச்சு ஃபுல்லா.
மேம் ரீஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க மறுபடியும்.
ஓகே. Students, is it visible now?
மேம் நீங்க பிரசன்ட்
No,
ஸ்கிரீன்
ma'am.
பண்ணுங்க மேம். பிரசன்ட் ஸ்கிரீன் பண்ணுங்க.
ஐயோ என்னாச்சு தெரியல. பிரசன்ட் ஸ்கிரீன்ல தான் இருக்கேன் மேம்.
மேம் பிரசன்ட் ஸ்கிரீன்ல தான் மேம் இருக்கு.
இப்ப விசிபிளா இருக்கா
இல்ல
மேம்?
மேம் எதுவும் தெரியல.
ஓகே மேம். என்னன்னு தெரியலையே மேம். Anirudh, mute your mic. மேம் இப்ப விசிபிளா இருக்கா?
மேம் நீங்க ஒன் டைம் மீட் விட்டு வெளில போயிட்டு திருப்பி உள்ள வந்து பாருங்க மேம்.
வந்துட்டேம்மா. செகண்ட் டைம் இன்னொரு தடவை வேணா வரேன். இப்ப விசிபிளா இருக்கா?
நோ மேம்.
இல்லையா?
நோ மேம், விசிபிளா இல்ல.
No,
அதே
ma'am.
மாதிரி தான் வருது.
Okay, we will stop here. So like this the same, the remaining things will be இதேதான்மா. இதுல எந்த சேஞ்சஸ் இல்ல. and nor implementation புரியுது தானே எப்படின்ட்டு? Can you able to understand and nor implementation? Have you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Understood,
you
ma'am.
practice by yourself, then you will get a clear. Okay. So up to this, the first unit gets over. We will start the second unit from your next class. Okay.
So actually
So
we have
we have
given
posted-
assignment. Yes, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க ma'am.
இல்ல அசைன்மென்ட் பத்தி தான் மேம் சொல்ல வந்தேன். நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, students, we have Vanati ma'am have posted the assignment for all the 3 sections. Okay, you have to solve the assignment and post it back within this week. Okay, ma'am. வேற ஏதாவது?
Do you have any doubt in that assignment question?
No, ma'am.
No. So you solve it individually, then only you will come to know what are all the difficulties you face. Okay, because when you face the exam directly, you will find difficult in solving the question. So that only we are giving the assignment. So solve the assignment on your own. So யாரையும் பார்த்து காப்பி பண்ணாதீங்க. ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க. தனியா மெசேஜ் பண்ணாலும் சரி இல்ல கிளாஸ் டைம்ல கேட்டாலும் சரி. So தனியா சால்வ் பண்ணி இண்டிவிஜுவலா சால்வ் பண்ணி போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. சரியா? காப்பி பண்ணீங்கன்னா அசைன்மெண்டோட வேல்யூவே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா இது வந்து கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரை பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு வந்து டக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அதனால சால்வ் இண்டிவிஜுவலி, டேக் யுவர் ஓன் டைம். ஸோ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த கான்செப்ட் அண்ட் தென் ட்ரை த சம்ஸ் இண்டிவிஜுவலி. ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஹாவ் எனி டவுட் யூ கேன் கான்டாக்ட் அஸ் எனி டைம்.
Okay,
Aruna
and
ma'am.
also I will solve the problem which I have done in the last thing. இப்போ லாஸ்டா நான் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன் இல்லையா? I will solve and I will post in the Google Classroom. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, up to this, whether you are facing any difficulty in the first unit, whether you can able to get understood or not.
அருணா மேம் ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஓகே மேம்.